All right, in problem number 4, we're given this set of 4 figures, and we're told they're made out of toothpicks. Okay, so this triangle would be 3 toothpicks arranged in a triangle. And then this figure, we have 3 triangles, and each of them is made up of 3 toothpicks. And here we have 9 triangles, each of them being made up of 3 toothpicks, and so on. Okay, so um, and let's see, we're asked to figure out how many toothpicks would be needed for the 16th figure. All right, so we have the first 4. Now, you could go and draw all these out, but that's probably not the way you want to do it. That'd be kind of the hard way to do it. So let's see if we can find a pattern in the number of toothpicks that we are used in each one of these figures. So, you can obviously tell there's definitely a pattern in the number of triangles, right? So here we have 1 triangle, and here we have 3 triangles, which is just the 1 triangle plus 2 more. So we could actually write this as 1 plus 2. All right. And then we have the 1 plus the 2 plus 3. All right. So we have a total of 6 triangles. 1 plus 2 plus 3. And here we have 1 triangle plus 2 triangles plus 3 triangles plus 4 triangles. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, that's the number of triangles. Now, in order to figure out the number of toothpicks, we just have to multiply each of these times 3, right? So, right, because each triangle is made up of 3 toothpicks. And so you can see a pattern. We're adding a list of numbers, right? We're adding 1, or 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the 16th triangle is going to look like what? 16th is going to be 3 times the quantity times the number of triangles in that figure, which is just going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 all the way up to 16, right? Because the 4th triangle is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and the 3rd triangle is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so the last number in this list of numbers is always the number of the figure. Okay, so that's what it would look like. So we could sit down and figure out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way to 16. Or if you've watched my video on arithmetic sequences, you know that to add an arithmetic series, and this is an arithmetic sequence here because the difference between consecutive numbers is a constant. All right, and in this case, the difference between the numbers is just 1, right? So the way to add this, the quick way, is to take the first number plus the last number times the number of numbers and divide it by 2. Okay? Now, I can't forget the 3 on the outside here. So, we can do this. Obviously, 16 divided by 2 is 8, and this is 17. So we've essentially got 17 times 8 times 3, or we could write it as 24 times 17, right? So what do we get when we do that? We have 28, 14, 16, and then this is 24. And if we add that up, we have 803. Whoops, wait a minute, gotta carry the 1. 804, or 408. 408 toothpicks. Okay, so the answer, let me rewrite it here in a nice. So the answer is 408 toothpicks. All right. So there you go. There's the answer.